Hello everyone. I'm a little bit nervous. Welcome to my channel. I've been thinking about it for so long and finally it's here. It's here. Myself, Sakshi, and this is my brand new channel, which is going to be your new favorite corner on YouTube for everything from hair care to skincare to lifestyle to beauty to fashion and whatnot. See, guys, I have always believed and will believe that confidence starts with feeling good about yourself. And I am here to help you glow inside and out, whether it's through styling tips, affordable and simple skincare routine and hair care routines, or just some real talks. So I think it's enough of me telling about me and my channel, and let's proceed ahead to the video. Bye. So today I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning. Generally, I wake up more earlier, like 6 or 7 too, but today I woke up at 8 a.m. And the first step after I wake up is to brush my teeth, which I do in a bit of a sunlight because it actually lifts up my mood and makes my system and me feel fresh. Brushing is done. E. Now mouthwash. Let's do the mouthwash. See the mechanism, see the mechanism. You just have to push it and done with the brushing and the mouthwash. Now let's go to do yoga. So now it's time for some movement. Some days yoga, some days just stretching. I try not to force a perfect workout, but just whatever feels good and moves my body. And yes, meditation is a must. Even 5 minutes of silence makes a huge difference. It actually slows my mind and sets my tone for the day and makes me stress free. So, you must also do yoga and meditation for sure in the morning. So now after yoga, it's time to hydrate myself. I'm having my methi dane ka pani, which is also known as fenugreek water. It's the first thing which I do in the morning because it wakes up my system and honestly feels like an internal cleanse. But to be honest, this tastes really bad, but it's okay. It's healthy. So I'm done with my yoga and the morning drink, and I'm sweating also. Now it's time to take a bath, and today is my favorite day. That's the hair wash day, which is, I think, everyone's favorite because you feel so relaxing after that. एक तो गर्मियों में आई हैव सीन वन थिंग कि भाई बाल इतनी जल्दी गंदे हो जाते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वही स्वेटिंग एंड ऑल. सो मेरे बाल तो बहुत 2 दिन के अंदर अंदर बहुत मैटेड हो जाते हैं और ग्रीसी स्कैल्प because I have really oily scalp, just like my skin. So now it's time to do a hair wash and then we'll meet. So मैं नहा के आ चुकी हूँ. Now it's time to do the skincare. The first step is washing your face wash. This is which I've already done. Okay, now it's time to moisturize, which is the most important step. And like it's really It's the most important step, but I'll apply a little bit only because my skin is already very oily and I have to apply serum after that. So, would not be applying too much. Okay. Okay, and a simple tip जो कि मैंने एक डर्मैट से सीखी थी, बिकॉज़ मैं बहुत सारे डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट पे गई हूँ पिछले साल, तो और भी ज़्यादा गई हूँ बिकॉज़ पिछले साल मेरा वर्स्ट ब्रेकआउट रहा एक्ने का ऑन माई फेस. मैं फ़ोटो लगा दूँगी कहीं यहाँ पे, मेरे पास बहुत सारी फ़ोटोज़ हैं. सो बहुत वर्स्ट ब्रेकआउट था इट वॉज़. तो मुझे किसी एक की बात मुझे अभी तक याद थी एक डर्मैट की कि यू शुड नेवर वाइप योर फेस विद एनी टॉवल, है ना, बिकॉज उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं. सो इट्स बेटर कि तुम अपना फेस वॉश करो एंड जस्ट लेट द एक्सेस वाटर लाइक उसको मतलब तुम एयर ड्राई करो, है ना, हल्का सा, और थोड़ा डैम्प रहने दो फेस अपना. एंड डैम्प रहने के बाद अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइज़र, और उसमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, मॉइस्चराइज़र बल्कि और अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब होता है. So that's one tip which helped me to reduce my acne for sure. Okay, I don't wipe my face with any towel or anything. Okay, so I've moisturized myself, and now the best product, this serum. Okay, ये vitamin C का serum है. It has helped me a lot with my dark spots because मुझे बहुत सारे acne हुए थे. I have had a lot of dark spots and acne marks. इसने उसको काफ़ी रिड्यूस किया एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली गुड इवन फॉर एक्ने टू. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे एक्ने भी कम होते हैं. अब आई डोंट नो इट्स मतलब इसी की वजह से क्या, बट इसको यूज़ करने के बाद मेरी स्किन काफ़ी बेटर हुई है. जस्ट टुक 3 drops. Okay, just tap. Let's apply the lip balm. Cute सा mini सा. Already applied the deodorant. This to smell good all day. Now, अब वैसे तो मैं मेकअप नहीं करती हूँ घर पे, बाहर तो ऑफ कोर्स आई डू इट समटाइम्स, बट अभी मैं वीडियो क्रिएट कर रही हूँ, सो लेट्स डू थोड़ा सा मेकअप. थोड़ा सा मतलब बहुत ही थोड़ा सा, जस्ट आई एम अप्लाइंग अ लिपस्टिक, है ना, मतलब सब. ओप्स, मेरा कैमरा. I'll apply this. I don't know what is this. Swiss Beauty का मैंने लिया था कहीं से, खुद देख लीजिए आप. मैं इतना डिटेल में कुछ नहीं बता रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन वीडियो. इट्स नॉट अ मेकअप रूटीन और माई स्किन केयर रूटीन, तो इसमें मैं बहुत कम बता रही हूँ. यू कैन सी सम एक्ने. दीज आर माई प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल एक्नेज. एनीवेज, ओके. Now it's time for the liner. अब लाइनर लगाने के लिए मुझे कैमरा ऑफ करना पड़ेगा, मुझे मिरर में जाके लगाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट एट इट. So wait. So now I'm finally ready. Done my liner. Not so perfect but it's good. अब बाल सूखेंगे तो तब तक हम बनाते हैं अपना ब्रेकफास्ट. Let's go. So yeah guys, now I'm in the kitchen. I'll make my breakfast. Breakfast में आज तो I'm just making a smoothie. Oats सी smoothie. I really like it. वैसे तो मैं नाटक कर रही हूँ मतलब आई नेवर मेक ब्रेकफास्ट, मेरी मम्मी बनाती है, बट जस्ट टू शूट अ वीडियो आई हैव टू मेक इट, वरना ये सब मेरी मम्मी ही बनाती हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई टेल यू, मैं उनको रेसिपी बता देती हूँ व्हेन शी मेक्स इट. थैंक यू मम्मी. सो 2 चम्मच, 2 या 3, चलो 3 चम्मच हम ओट्स लेंगे. वैसे बाय द वे it will have about 250 calories and about 10 or 8 grams of protein. ठीक है, 3.5, 3 डाला था ना, या 3, maybe it was 3. बात करते करते I forget. Sorry. Okay, now it is getting chaotic. पूरा किचन फैल गया. So this is my peanut butter my fitness का नहीं, मैक्स प्रोटीन का, सॉरी मतलब ये सब मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, अभी तो ये है फिलहाल मेरे पास। ओके, ऐसे बनूंगी मैं यूट्यूबर। वेट, एडिटर प्लीज इसको कट कर देना। नाउ दिस इज the hung curd, or I can see नहीं, I can say that it's Greek मेरे हाथ में सारा चिपक चुका है। It's a Greek yogurt washed। ग्रीक योगर्ट ही बोलो, 1 घंटा लटकाया था मैंने इसको in a muslin cloth। Now it's a bit thicker than normal curd, so इसको हम डालेंगे। So अभी मैंने डाल दिया है oats, peanut butter, curd and now half a banana, आधा, I don't know, ये कच्चा लग रहा है मुझे, बट ठीक है कोई नहीं, आधा डालेंगे, पूरा नहीं डालना मुझे, फिर वो ज़्यादा बनाना का ही टेस्ट आता है। हाफ। What else? A little bit of water because I'm not adding milk, और दही मैंने ज़्यादा डाली नहीं है। दही is just दही whatever Greek yogurt, it's just 3 tablespoon, maybe 3 tablespoon, half a banana, 3 or 4 tablespoon your oats, and 2 tablespoon peanut butter. A little bit of water to help it mix. Now let's start the mixer. Listen. Let's taste it once. So now my last step of the morning routine is to make a to-do list. Before jumping into work or content, I check in with what I actually want to get done. Not just a productivity rush, but intentional, doable tasks. So yes guys, we are finally done with the morning routine and we are at the end of the video. So I would like to suggest 5 key points that you must take away with yourself to improve your morning routines to make it better. So first is hydrate yourself before you caffeinate. Hydration is the key for a good, healthy body, skin and your internal system. Second is skincare and hair care routines should be simple. Those extravagant fancy routines are just waste of money and your time. Those 10-step, 20-step routines are not going to do anything for your skin. A simple skincare routine and affordable ones are very good and enough for you. Enough for you to look absolutely pretty. Okay? Third is to-do list. To-do list is a must if you want to be organized throughout your day, throughout your life. To-do list is a must. Fourth point is that meditation is the key to relieve stress. However busy you are, however busy, कितना ही तुम मतलब बहुत busy हो, you must take at least 5 minutes from your life in the morning to meditate. Like I do yoga and then I do meditation also for 5 minutes. That will help you relieve stress and feel good throughout the day. You'll have that good feeling inside you. Now the last part is, the last key point is that nothing is perfect. Don't chase perfection in your anything, like morning routines also. It's okay if your mornings don't look like a perfect morning every day. Chase consistency over perfection. It's okay if you are lazy few days, it's okay if you are sleeping few days, that's okay, but you should try to reduce the amount of unproductivity and increase productivity. Okay, but never chase perfection. Perfect days do not exist. Okay, so that's it for the video. I am really excited that finally my first video is completed, and I am really like excited to post it and see your responses. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what's the and comment down below what, and do comment down below anything positive which you would like to say. And yeah, subscribe to keep me motivated to post more. I will be really motivated if you'll guys support this video and support me throughout my YouTube journey. So too much of so. Now finally it's a bye bye time. Goodbye. I mean, thanks for watching. Bye.